Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring Paint Color Simulator, the world's simplest online paint color blending tool created by Browserling. This powerful tool lets you mix 2, 3, or even 4 paint colors and instantly generate a new blended color. To access this tool, open your browser, search for onlinepngtools.com, and navigate to Paint Color Simulator. Inside the tool, you'll find input fields where you can enter up to 4 paint colors. You can type simple color names like blue or red, use hex codes like FF5733, or enter RGB and HSL values. You can also pick colors directly from the palette. The tool automatically blends the selected colors and displays the result in your chosen format, such as hex, RGB, RGBA, or even the nearest named color. You can also influence the mix by repeating a color to increase its weight or simulate watercolor effects by adding transparency. Now, let's explore 3 examples in action. Example 1. Mixing yellow and magenta paint. Here is the input where we entered 2 color names, yellow, magenta. The tool uses a perceptual paint mixing method, which simulates how real pigments blend. When these 2 colors are mixed, the result is a soft coral-like shade, similar to what you would get by mixing acrylic paints in equal proportions. The output is displayed as the nearest named color, making it easy to understand and reuse. This example clearly shows how realistic the paint simulation is. Click Save as to download the result. Example 2. Mixing colors with different weights. Here is the input where we entered 4 colors in different formats. FF4500, white HSL 100, 95%, 40% HSL 100, 95%, 40%. In this example, we repeated the lime green color twice to increase its influence in the mix. This effectively makes it the dominant color in the final blend. The output is displayed as the print hex code, hence the tool calculates the mixture and displays the result as a hex code. The output color leans more toward green due to the higher weight, demonstrating how you can control the final result by adjusting proportions. Click Save as to download the result. Example 3. Simulating watercolor paint mixing. Here is the input where we entered navy spring green RGBA, 255, 255, 255, 0.3. In this example, we added a semi-transparent white color to simulate watercolor paint. Since watercolor paints are naturally translucent, this affects the final blend by softening the color and adding transparency. The result is a smooth, slightly transparent shade similar to dark turquoise. The output is displayed in RGBA format, preserving the transparency level. This example is especially useful for designers working with layered or transparent visuals. Click Save as to download the result. Before we wrap up, here's something powerful to remember. This tool helps you predict and control color outcomes more accurately. Stay tuned for more powerful tools, and don't forget to check out our other videos on semi-transparent logo maker and PNG to BMP converter. Try the paint color simulator yourself at onlinepngtools.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool tutorials.